Searching for the best smart bidet toilet feels like staring at a wall of identical white seats. Same features, same remote, same promises. But here's the thing, some actually feel luxurious while others feel like plastic toys. The real difference isn't in the photos. It's in the details most brands won't show you. Product number 1, Alpha Bidet JX2. First up, the Alpha Bidet JX2. This one caught my eye because it's not trying to be flashy. It's built like a tank with a stainless steel nozzle and a tankless heating system that gives you endless warm water, no waiting. At $512, it's mid to high range, but what stood out immediately was how quiet it is. Like library-level quiet. Here's why this matters for you. If you've ever sat on a cold toilet seat in winter or dealt with inconsistent water temperature, this fixes both. The on-demand heating means no refill delays, and the heated seat has 3 levels, perfect for those early mornings. Plus, the LED nightlight turns on automatically when it's dark, so you're not fumbling around at 3 a.m. It's also got a sittable lid, which sounds small but means you can actually use the toilet as a seat without worry. Over 1,000 sold last month, and while there are no reviews yet, the build quality feels solid. Now the flaw, the remote feels a bit basic. It's functional but not sleek, more like an old thermostat than a modern smart device. Some users might expect a touchscreen or app control at this price. But here's the thing, if you want reliability over flashy tech, this remote gets the job done without distractions. It's not a deal breaker unless you're obsessed with high-end interfaces. This is perfect for you if you want a durable, quiet bidet with real stainless steel parts and endless warm water. Skip it if you're looking for app integration or a futuristic remote. For the price, it's a strong value, especially with that 3-year warranty. Product number 2, FVZ Electric Bidet Seat. Now, if the Alpha Bidet's remote bothered you, this FVZ model takes a different approach. It's all about comfort and family-friendly features. At $231, it's the most affordable here, but don't let the price fool you. It comes with a heated seat, warm air dryer, and 4 wash modes including a child setting, something most brands skip. Here's why this matters. If you've got kids, seniors, or someone with sensitive skin, those extra wash modes make a real difference. The front, rear, feminine, and power wash options mean everyone gets exactly what they need. The nozzle is stainless steel and self-cleaning, so hygiene isn't an afterthought. And the dual controls, a side knob and wireless remote, mean you can adjust settings without leaning over. Installation takes about 3 minutes and it fits most standard toilets. The flaw, the material is mostly ABS plastic, not metal. It feels sturdy but not premium. Some users might worry about long-term durability, especially with heavy daily use. But honestly, for under $250, this is expected. It's not going to last 10 years like a $600 model, but it'll definitely get you through 5-7 years of solid use. Skip it if you want a luxury feel or plan to use it heavily for over a decade. For the price, it's a steal. Product number 3, Smart Bidet SB1000W. Alright, that was a solid budget option, but if you want something with more precision, the Smart Bidet SB1000W steps up. At $360, it's in the sweet spot, not too cheap, not too expensive. What sets it apart? 5 levels of water pressure, temperature, and nozzle positioning. That means you can fine-tune every wash like a pro. Here's why this matters. If you've used a bidet that was either too weak or too intense, this fixes that. The adjustable settings let you go from gentle rinse to deep clean with a button. The warm air dryer has 5 levels too, so you can dry comfortably without overdoing it. And it's got energy-saving mode, which cuts power when not in use, a small but smart touch. The soft closing lid is quiet and installation is straightforward. The flaw. The build is all plastic, and while it feels decent, it doesn't have the premium weight of higher-end models. Also, the remote isn't backlit, so using it in the dark can be tricky. But here's the thing, for under $400, you're getting near luxury features without the luxury price. The lack of metal parts is noticeable, but not a deal breaker unless you're building a forever bathroom. This is perfect for you if you want customizable cleaning without overspending. Skip it if you want automatic lid opening or app control. It's a great middle ground option with real value. Product number 4, LED Eco Seat. Now, if the Smart Bidet's plastic build gave you pause, the LED Eco Seat brings a more modern design and better ergonomics. At $300, it's competitively priced, and the V-shaped design is actually more comfortable for many users, especially if you found standard oval seats too narrow. Here's why this matters. The 3D contoured seat fits your body better, reducing pressure points. The side knob is intuitive, great for quick adjustments, and the remote gives full control. Installation is fast, and they even offer a free T-valve replacement if the one included doesn't fit. That kind of support matters. The flaw? It's still mostly plastic, and while the design is sleek, it doesn't feel as heavy-duty as the Alpha Bidet. Also, the warm air dryer is a bit weaker than on pricier models. You might still want a little toilet paper. But for the price, it's a fair trade. It's not the most powerful dryer, but it gets the job done. This is perfect for you if you want comfort and style on a budget. Skip it if you need maximum drying power or a fully automatic experience. It's a smart pick for modern bathrooms. Product number 5, Sosh Smart Seat S2. Finally, the Sosh Smart Seat S2, the luxury pick at $642. This isn't just a bidet, it's a full smart toilet experience. The auto-open lid uses radar sensors. Walk in, it opens, walk away, it closes. No touching, no buttons. And the seat is 22% larger and 25% thinner than standard models, so it looks sleek but feels spacious. The instant warm water, 3-level dryer and self-cleaning nozzle are top tier. The remote is well designed and the side knob is handy for quick changes. It's quiet, efficient, and built for daily luxury. Over 300 sold last month, and while it's pricey, it competes with brands twice its cost. The flaw? The price. It's over $600, which is a big jump from the others. And the nozzle is ABS plastic, not stainless steel, surprising at this level. Some users might expect metal for hygiene, but honestly, the autolid and design make up for it unless you're a germaphobe who demands metal nozzles. This is perfect for you if you want a high-end, automated experience and don't mind the cost. Skip it if you're on a budget or don't care about autolids. It's the closest thing to a spa toilet without remodeling. So which one wins? For luxury and automation, go with the Sosh. For durability and quiet operation, the Alpha Bidet JX2 is hard to beat. The FVZ is the best budget pick. The Smart Bidet offers the most customization, and the LED gives you comfort and style. No single one is perfect, but one of these is definitely right for you. Let me know which you're leaning toward in the comments.